So in this session, I'll show you how we can create jobs. Job we can understand as a task which Jenkins can perform. So we are going to add a task in the Jenkins to execute our automation framework. For Jenkins, this is a job. I'm moving to the Jenkins window, Jenkins dashboard, and to create a job, we can click on the new item. Here, whatever the name you want to give, so I'm giving Selenium automation. What kind of project you want to create? So I want to create a Maven project. And here we click on OK. So now we are creating a new job, or I'll say new task for executing the Selenium automation project through Jenkins. So for that I have created a new job over here. Here we can give description if you want, but it's not mandatory. I'm just entering only mandatory data. So here I'm coming to the source code management, from where you want to pick the source code. So I'm just selecting Git, and what is the URL of your Git repository. So hope you remember we have created an end-to-end integration project, and if you click on this clone or download, you can get this URL. So I just copy this URL and paste it over here. To access the Git, we need credentials. So click on add button, Jenkins. What credentials you want to set? So here we need to enter credentials of the Git. So I'm just giving like my credentials over here. Click on add, and now credentials are added. So we need to select these credentials, like these are the credentials which I want to use while accessing this Git repository. And as I updated, these credentials are the credentials of GitHub. Now we have set up from where we need to pick the code. Now I'm coming to the bottom, and here we need to set up build. So here in the build, we need to execute pom.xml. But before the pom.xml, we need to give the project name. So if I show you, project name was E2E integration. So I just copy the data from here and paste it over here. I need to execute this. Inside this project, we have a file pom.xml that I want to execute. These are the mandatory steps which we need to set up. I have just entered these mandatory data, apply and save. So a job is created with the minimum set of data, with minimum set of mandatory data. If I go to the dashboard, here you will get a job. So that's my job.